Hello everyone, this is Bachandeep Singh Patthal. This video is for the course of Animation and Multimedia using 3D Max. And this video will be going to cover the first topic of this course, that is Multimedia. Before proceeding to the video, let us go through the points that after this video you will be able to describe the basic components of multimedia, explore the importance of multimedia, identify and use the various multimedia components. Now let us go through the multimedia. Multimedia name itself is describing that there are two words. One is multi and the second one is media. Now what does multi stands for? The multi stands for more than one or many forms. The media stands for the mode of the communication. Next is media examples. Some of the examples that can be seen in these days are animation, text, audio, compact disc that can be also called as CD, CPU, control processing unit, printers, graphics, images, videos, etc. Now we will be going through the multimedia definition. In this field of information and communication technology, multimedia means more than the use of various media. A computer user interacts with the computer to perform tasks such as finding information or play games to develop a skill. Thus, the meaning of multimedia has changed as technology advanced in our lives. In simple words, we can also say that the multimedia is a combination of different content forms such as text, images, animation, video, and other interactive content. You can see the advancements the multimedia has gone through in the image provided here. In earlier days, there was only one mode of communication or one media of communication, that is radio, which can deliver only audio. Advancement of this has led us to the television that can contain the text, graphics, audio, video, as well as the animations. The next advancement that has taken place is the computers. The computers contain the text, graphics, audio, video, animation, as well as interactivity of the user through various mode of communications. Now let us move to the next section. Now we will be going to find it out the five main elements of multimedia. The first one is text, second is graphics, third one is video, fourth one is audio, and the fifth one is animation. The combination of these five elements create a multimedia. Here, the text and the graphics are static elements due to the non-movability of these elements. The rest three, those are video, audio, and animation, are called as dynamic elements. These are the movable items or the elements, as if the video also can be played, the audio also can be played, and the animation also can be played. But as we are talking about the static elements, the text and the graphic are the still items that cannot be played. Next, we will be going to cover up the text topic. The text is called as a string of printable characters separated by white spaces, which can be letter, number, or symbols. This is also the main method of conveying information through language. The text, size, and style can be used to emphasize the content. Now, emphasize means to highlight the things. The first media of the text was newspapers only. There is another type of text media also available, that is hypertext. In a multimedia application, other media or screen can be linked through the use of text. This is what you call hypertext. You can take an example of google.com. Whenever you are searching anything on a Google, it will be showing you various hypertext links in a page. It will be shown in a blue color, and you can see the same over here in the image. If you will be going to click on any of these, it will be going to take you to that particular web page. The another image show the use of hypertext, which is connecting one page to another. Next one is graphics. Graphics makes multimedia application attractive. They also help us to illustrate ideas through still pictures. There are two types of graphics. One is bitmap, the another one is vector. The bitmap graphics are real images, whereas the vector are the drawn images. The both can be seen in the image over here. Next is audio. Audio refers to the production and transmission of sound stored in a digital format. This includes CDs as well as any sound file stored on a computer. Now, the audios are of two types, analog and digital audio. The difference between both can be seen in the image shown below, and if we are talking about the general difference, then analog sound is the original audio, which is converted to the digital form by recording and storing the same in the 0 and 1 form, that can be also called as the binary or the digital form. The digital audio is in 0 and 1 form only and can be played through various audio output devices, afterwards which the user can hear them. Only the digital audio is used in the multimedia. Now next is video. Unlike an animation which can be created from drawings or images, a video is created with a photographic process and then converted or transferred to the computer system in set of frames where each frame has data stored in every pixel. The frames are measured in the frame per second, that can be also called as FPS. Let us see a sample of a video.
Hey, I am now brimming with information, all set for tomorrow's lab.
Wait, let Byte summarize all that I told you in a picture. Hey Byte, will you please?
Yeah, sure, but
Animation. Animation is a process of making a static image looks like it is moving. The normal and good quality video contains 24 frames per second. The frames are the images which vary from one to another. The two frames cannot have the same images. Animation is of two types. First one is 2D, which is two-dimensional animation. It consists of X and Y axis, which are expressed as width and height in the animation field. Another one is 3D animation, which is Three-dimension animation. It consists of X, Y, as well as Z axis, which are expressed as width, height, and depth in the animation field. Now we will be going to discuss the various file formats. The formats that are used in multimedia are described below. Each of the five elements of multimedia has various standard file formats. The first one is text, that can be classified into various categories such as text files, Word files, and rich file documents or formats. The next one is graphics, that can be classified into various categories as JPEG, BMP, TIFF, PSD, and so on. Same as the audio can be classified into various categories such as WAV, WMA, AV, MIDI are the mostly used MP3s these days. Next is videos. These can be classified into various categories as AVI, MPEG, WMA, MOV, and mostly used these days again as MP4. And the last one is animation. It can be classified into various categories such as SWF or GIF files. Advantages of multimedia. Some of the advantages are listed below. We will be going to discuss each one by one. Creativity, which can be used in creating a various multimedia elements. Second is reduced training cost. This reduces the training cost of users as the user can easily interact with the elements. The third one is realistic approach. This provides approaches which makes learning more realistic. The fourth one is gains and holds attention. It gains and holds the attention of the user for a good time. The fifth one is easy to use. It is easy to use for any age of users. The sixth one is provides high quality of presentations. It also provides the high quality of presentations for the business purposes. The seventh and the last one is in the list, it can be used as a wide variety of audiences. The last topic for today is disadvantages of multimedia. The first disadvantage of multimedia is expensive. The production of multimedia is more expensive than others because of it's made up of more than one medium. The second one is require special hardware. The special hardwares are also required to create the multimedia which can be used for various purposes. The third one is take time to compile. Creating multimedia requires more time than other type of medias. The fourth one is Frangle. The devices used for multimedia must be used with the care and may be kept away from the moisture. The last fifth one is distracting. Multimedia may take away the focus from the lesson due to its attention grabbing formats. Thank you for your attention. If you have any type of query, you can send me a mail at the mail ID mentioned below.